Hello and welcome to the Bamboo Grove one-bedroom Skypool Butler Suite. This is room category 1 at the amazing Sandals Negril Resort and Spa. Hey there, I'm Madison, the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and 𝗏𝐾aribbeanluxury.com. We're so delighted to have you here on this channel today, Mr TraveLux. Today we are peeling back the curtain. We're looking at a brand new suite at this amazing resort. And this is a suite which has captured the heart of Sandals guests over the years at other properties, and now it's been brought here to Sandals Negril in a new way, truly in capturing the Sandals 2.0 modern innovations. In this video, we're going to show you all that you want to see about this, but we of course invite you to reach out. Any questions you have, my team and I at Reliant Destinations, we're here to help. We always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out, so make sure to reach out if you want to make sure you have the best service, the best expertise, and of course, the best value guaranteed every time. You can reach out hello at ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello at ReliantDestinations.com. The final thing I'd like to mention is on our website, 𝗏𝐾aribbeanluxury.com, we have a brand new tool, which is a little quiz, a little questionnaire that you can answer a few questions to and see which property is best suited for you. Perhaps you're someone where your heart is set on this resort, or perhaps you're someone that you don't quite know which property is best for you yet. You can simply answer some questions and get an instant result to see which property is best suited for your vibe. There's so many different options, so many different flavors, if you will, across the Sandals and Beaches portfolio, and our goal is to make sure that you go and have a vacation of your dreams. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this one sky tour at Sandals Negril. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been your behind the scenes look at the 𝗏𝗏. Yes, that Bamboo Grove 1-bedroom Skypool Butler suite here at Sandals Negril. Any questions you have, as we alluded at the start of this video, please do reach out. hello@ReliantDestinations.com is how you do so. Our service is 100% complimentary, is funded by Sandals and Beaches on your behalf, and we invite you to reach out. Please do take a moment to like this video and subscribe for endless more content about everything Sandals and Beaches. We literally have hundreds and hundreds of videos on this channel. Every year we bring you the newest resort updates, we bring you fact videos, and of course, insider suite tours like this of all the best suites across the whole portfolio. We look forward to seeing you back here, and perhaps we'll even cross paths one day in resort. Take care, we'll see you soon.